Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
We ready? We're golden? Okay, what we have here is an individual who unfortunately shut his finger in a car door. We've made an x-ray and nothing was broken, but we can clearly see as a subungual hematoma. So we're going to use our high temperature loop tip cautery device and relieve that. So I'm squeezing, you might notice, on the finger here, and the idea is to temporarily just kind of put a little pressure on the nerves and see if we can't prevent some of the pain. Okay, you feel your finger kind of going to sleep?
A little bit.
Alright, here we go. There it is. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, so we've relieved the pressure, and now the trapped blood is able to come on out, and this won't hurt him so much tonight. Okay, good job.
Bye.
Hey folks, this is Watson. I just wanted to let you know that there is now a 1-year supply of Meta 7 available on Amazon at a huge discounted price. That's right, get America's best energy supplement for a bigger discount than ever. Retail price on 4 bottles is $360. Get it on Amazon for only $260 while supplies last. That's $100 off the retail price. Pick up yours today, it won't last long.
Go. There it is.